Welcome to History Recolored, where we bring the past vividly back to life. Today we're uncovering the fascinating journey of Millard Fillmore, the man, the history, and the legacy of the 13th President of the United States. Born in a modest log cabin in upstate New York on January 7, 1800, Millard Fillmore's rise to the presidency was anything but typical. As the son of a poor farmer, his early life was shaped by hard work and determination. Fillmore's hunger for education led him to study law while working as a clothmaker's apprentice. Eventually he was admitted to the bar in 1823, paving the way for a political career that would see him become one of the most debated figures in American history. Millard Fillmore first made his mark in Congress, where he championed economic reforms like the Tariff of 1842 to protect American industries. But his most notable and controversial moment came during his presidency from 1850 to 1853, following the sudden death of President Zachary Taylor. Fillmore's presidency was defined by the Compromise of 1850, a series of laws aimed at easing tensions between free and slave states. While Fillmore believed this would preserve the Union, his support for the Fugitive Slave Act drew sharp criticism and divided public opinion. Fillmore's tenure reflected the complexities of a nation on the brink of civil war. Though his policies sought unity, they often highlighted the deep divisions within America, making his legacy a subject of ongoing debate. After leaving the White House, Fillmore continued to shape his community. He was instrumental in founding the University at Buffalo and was known for his philanthropic efforts. However, his affiliation with the Nativist American Party in the 1856 election added a controversial chapter to his career. Today, Millard Fillmore's life is a reminder of the challenges and contradictions of leadership during a tumultuous era. While his decisions remain a point of contention, his contributions to education and his unwavering belief in the Union cannot be overlooked. Millard Fillmore, lawyer, politician, and 13th president, may not be the most celebrated figure in American history, but his story offers valuable insights into a nation struggling to define itself. By examining his life and legacy, we better understand the complexities of leadership and the choices that shape history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we bring history back to life, one story at a time. History Recolored, where the past comes alive.